Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by giving the headphones power and a clean Bluetooth environment. Plug a USB-C cable into the major Roman 4 if battery is low. The LED will show charge level. Once charged, rotate the power/Bluetooth knob to the on position. Listen for a tiny click. Make sure the phone or laptop Bluetooth is enabled and visible because the major Roman 4 enters pairing mode automatically when first turned on. If you already paired before, switching on will reconnect. Otherwise, be ready to select Marshall Major Roman 4. Once done turning the knob to the Bluetooth position, watch the LED. Flashing amber and blue indicates pairing mode. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and look for Marshall Major Roman 4 in available devices. Tap to pair. You might be asked for a code. Enter 0000 only if prompted. After a few seconds, the LED becomes solid and you should hear a connection tone. This confirms audio routing. If the connection fails, move the devices closer and try again. Interference can block pairing. Finish by playing audio and adjusting both the headphone volume knob and your source volume to a safe level. If you don't hear sound, make sure the major Roman 4 is selected as the audio output, then power cycle it. For stubborn problems, press and hold the power/Bluetooth knob for 10 seconds to reset, release and retry pairing. If the LED blinks red or the unit won't turn on, plug it into power and charge fully. Low battery often causes startup issues, so keep the cable handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.